Let's explore 3 quick and easy ways to rename your Excel worksheets. When you first create a new Excel workbook, it starts with a default sheet, Sheet 1. Let's add some new sheets. One way to do that is by simply clicking on this plus. Or we could press Shift F11. You can keep adding other sheets and you would get Sheet 4 and 5 and so on. But let's be honest, these names don't tell us much, do they? So let's rename these sheets and get organized. The first method is the simplest. Just double click. Double click on the Worksheet tab to highlight the current name and type in a new name, like West Region, and hit Enter. Super easy. Here's a power tip to keep in mind when renaming worksheets. Be descriptive, but keep the name short. For example, instead of annual revenue projections for the East Coast 2025, maybe use instead 2025 revenue East. In most cases, avoid all caps as well, which can take up more space and make your worksheet tabs look cluttered. And remember, you can't have 2 sheets with the same name in one workbook, so keep each name unique. The second method is not quite as fast, but it's another option where we can use the handy worksheet management shortcut menu. So simply right-click on a worksheet tab and choose Rename. Now type in your new name and hit Enter. And finally, the Rename option is available in the Excel ribbon. So when a mouse isn't available or usable, it's good to know Excel actions are always available through the keyboard. Now, although the mouse might be faster for these ribbon actions, let's look at how we can use the keyboard to access the ribbon. First, go to the sheet that you want to rename. In this case, I'll move to this sheet 2. And by the way, if I wanted to go there without using the mouse, I could use Control Page Up to go to the previous sheet or Control Page Down to go to this sheet. Next, press the Alt key to display the ribbon key tips. So if you're not familiar with this is a way that we can use the keyboard to access our quick access toolbar, our menu options, and other elements of the screen. So I want to go to the Home tab of the ribbon. Now I'm already there, but I'll type a letter H, and now we get more detail within that Home ribbon. I'd like to move to the Cells group, and from here I want to choose Format. So notice that that is the letter O, and it automatically drops down the menu options. And from here is Rename Sheet, so the letter R. So a pretty quick way to get there if you're using those series of actions. The Worksheet tab becomes highlighted. We'll leave it highlighted so we can put in our unique name here. And once again, hit Enter and you're good to go. Which of these options will you choose to rename your worksheets? For other tips to get the most out of Microsoft Excel or to join my free tips letter, visit thesoftwarepro.com/Excel. If this video helped you, please like it and subscribe to this channel for more time-saving software tips. Thanks for watching.